Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to take a tedious manual task, creating new Confluence pages on a set schedule, and turn it into something that happens automatically while you focus on the work that really matters. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up Confluence so that it generates pages for you right when you need them. This is especially useful for regular meeting notes, recurring reports, or any process where you want a fresh page to be waiting for you each day, week, or month. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is access the automation settings inside Confluence. If you're managing pages in just one space, say your team's workspace, look for space settings along the sidebar of that space and then click on automation. But if you want this magic to happen across all the spaces you oversee, you'll take a slightly different route. Head up to the top right of your screen, click on the little settings cog, and choose automation from under admin tools. So make sure you're in the right spot based on what you need. These little differences can save you time and confusion later. Now that we're in the automation section, you'll see an option to create a new rule. Go ahead and click the Create Rule button. This opens up what's called the Rule Builder. Think of it as setting up a set of instructions for Confluence to follow, almost like leaving yourself post-it notes, except Confluence actually follows through without you having to remind it. Next, we need to tell Confluence when to carry out this task, so for the trigger you'll want to select Scheduled. This means we're asking Confluence to check the calendar and run the rule on a specific timetable, whether that's every weekday morning for your daily stand-up notes, every Monday for your weekly summaries, or maybe just once a month for a rolling report. Take a moment here to pick exactly how often and at what time you want those new pages to be made. Maybe you want that fresh page waiting for you first thing Monday morning, or perhaps Friday afternoon works better for your team's wrap-ups. You can get pretty specific here, so don't feel rushed. Set it to what matches your workflow. After setting the schedule, let's move on to the Actions step. Under Actions, choose Publish New Page. This tells Confluence exactly what to do when the schedule comes around. Now let's give our auto-generated page some personality. Pick a template you rely on, maybe your favorite meeting notes template or a custom report format. You can choose where the page gets created to by selecting the target space and setting a parent page. That parent page acts sort of like a folder, making sure all your auto-created pages are neatly organized in the right spot, rather than lost in the digital shuffle. Here's a neat trick for the page title. You can use dynamic variables like nowShortDate. This means that every page Confluence creates will have today's date, or whatever date you choose right in the title, so no more wondering if you're working on this week's document or last month. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in clarity as your collection of pages grows. Finally, once you've double-checked your template, timing, and naming details, name your rule something descriptive like Weekly Team Notes Auto Page, and then select Turn It On. Take a breath here. You've done the setup, and from now on, Confluence will take care of the rest. If you ever need to tweak the schedule or update your template, you can come back anytime and adjust the rule. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Confluence automation or other workflows you'd like to streamline. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials and workspace tips just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.